Hi. Right, this is going to be a synopsis for the Game of Drones series, just to finish it off. So yeah, on this one I'm going to be going back to Mr. Darren Harris and his family. Now, one thing I did notice about this family is that basically on Facebook they had about 4 profiles each, yeah? Why have 4 profiles on Facebook? And considering what has been previously posted by me, it all kind of makes a bit of sense, doesn't it, eh? So this is why I'm doing this, because I want every single detail logged. So yeah, I've been breaking out some of my files from the past 10 years, so just clearing up some bits and pieces within the timeline, really. But yeah, I mean, 4 profiles on each person. The guy worked in the school, daughter gets pregnant at 14. It's pretty obvious what's fucking going on, isn't it? It's all a bit insidious as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. While they're calling me a P and destroying my life. Yeah, exactly. Anyway. Yeah, so with that, I got to work, got a friend involved, a very good friend of mine, a very, very good friend of mine, and we just went to town on these profiles of theirs, yeah. We reported every single one of them and blocked every single one of them relentlessly for over 2 weeks, yeah, until they pretty much gave up. So yeah, that was a bit of a mission, and yeah, you want to tangle with me? You don't want to tangle with me. And I'll say this again, these videos have never been challenged by authority, haven't even been challenged by YouTube's terms of service either. So what is in these videos is pure fact, okay? And they can't touch me for it, because they've acted illegally and gone along with whatever bullshit people have said, with no warranty whatsoever. And I get arrested, harassed, burgled, beaten up, and all the rest of it, it's a bloody joke. And that's just from the police. Seriously, you can't even make this shit up, can you? But hey, there you go. I'm still here. Not sure about all the other guys though, where have they all disappeared to? Keeping a low profile, fucking good. Stay that way. Keep hiding under your rocks.